Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a nice DIGI H13 smart door lock and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. If the smart door lock is not responding, or if it's frozen, if it's not connecting, or if it's just otherwise not working right, this is a good troubleshooting step. Also, if you want to reinstall it somewhere else and you just want to get a totally fresh start on it, have it forget everything and be initialized to its factory default settings, we can do this with the reset button. So all you need to do is on the inner part of the door lock, we're going to remove the battery cover panel, and you'll see the batteries are here. And you'll notice at the top right, there is a reset button right here. Now you will need a paper clip or a pin or something like that. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it damages it. And you do need to press and hold this button for 5 seconds, at least 5 seconds, at which point the lock will be reinitialized and you can set it back up as though you were setting up a brand new lock.